Grok just discontinued their free plan. To generate videos now, you need a paid subscription, but there's a way to use Grok Video AI completely free, and in this video, I'm showing you exactly how. The platform I'm using gives you 150 monthly free credits, and one generation of Grok Video costs you 45 credits. That means you can create 3 videos easily. Watch till the end, because I'm also showing you how to get unlimited free generations. So after opening the website, tap on Create New File option. Then right-click and search for Grok Video. Right-click again and create a prompt node. Enter your prompt and connect your prompt node with the Grok Video node. Then tap on Run Model button. Wait a few minutes and your generation will be complete. From the right side you can adjust the video duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Now to create the next scene. Right-click and search for Extract Video Frame. Attach the Grok Video node with the Extract Video Frame node. Select the frame from where you want to start the next scene. I'll set the slider to the end to continue the next video from where the last one ended. Now create a new prompt node and Grok Video node. Connect the image and prompt node with the Grok Video node. Tap on Run Model. You can download any generation and it will be watermark free. When your second generation is complete, repeat the same process to generate the video for the next scene. Now the third generation is also complete. But I don't have free credits anymore. So here's what you do. Press the share button. Choose the last option from the drop-down. Tap copy link and save it. Now log out of Figma. Create a new Figma account using a different email. I'm using a disposable email service, make sure you use the same method. Then log out of the website. Tap Login with Figma to sign in with the new account. When login is done, open the share link. At the top you'll see Duplicate to my files. Tap that. Now you'll get all the files in your new account, and 150 fresh credits waiting. Now I can run my 4th generation. That's how you get unlimited Grok generations. Repeat this whenever you run out. Subscribe for more free AI tools. See you in the next one.